up everyone? Here in Nisswa, Minnesota at MarineMax Nisswa to highlight this 2012 Gemini. This is a 221, so 22 feet, 2.2 pontoon powered by a 60 horsepower Mercury. The nice thing about this Gemini model is these two rear fishing seats. Live well in the back, and as we come aboard the boat here, you notice the bench layout in the front. Nice L-shaped lounge area here for the co-captain and guests. The captain's seat with a hummingbird fish finder, cup holder. And we have a pop-up changing room or storage area right here. Here we're in the fishing area where you have your live well. Thanks for tuning in on another walkthrough.